In this tutorial, we are going to learn about first-time login for RenalGenie. But before that, do not forget to like our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Upon the system tenant complete the new user registration, the new user will then receive a temporary password email. In the email, user will be able to obtain the registered username and the temporary password, which will be required for the first-time login for RenalGenie. Now, let's go to RenalGenie and try to log in for the first time. It is very important that you are accessing RenalGenie from the designated URL or the link uniquely created for your organization. Reach out to your management team or RenalGenie product team if you need any help with getting the correct RenalGenie link. This is RenalGenie login page. To log in for the first time, enter the username as obtained from the email. And proceed with entering the temporary password at the password column accordingly. Click Sign In. System will prompt user to change password. On this page, proceed with entering the new preferred password for your RenalGenie login. Ensure that the password that has been entered matched and fulfills the requirements as listed. Click Send to save the new password. Once the system successfully saved the new password, user will redirected to today's patient page. You have now successfully logged into RenalGenie. Well done! Thank you for watching. Here is some video suggestion for you to watch next.